More I struggled, more strong I became, and finally, I got All India rank 50 in this coveted exam, Civil Services Examination 2016. To summarize, at last, I believed in these words. These words truly tell my story, and I also want to convey these words to you also. There is no substitute of hard work, and there is no shortcut to success. Today, as you see me as a package of success, when my bio says that I have cleared all the top prestigious exams and interviews of India, my friends, let me tell you, not more about my successes, but more about my rejections, my failures, and my determination, my willpower that made me to get those successes. But the sir was not patient enough. He asked me one more question. He asked me, okay, tell me the definition of potential. Okay, the basic question of physics. I have got APJ Abdul Kalam scholarship for scoring maximum marks in physics, PCM. But I had to answer this in English. And I cannot frame a sentence, a single sentence in English. So I just stood there and I kept mum. Teacher came to me and he said, have you really completed your 12th? Have you really passed it? You cannot answer this very basic question of physics. Only I knew how much I love physics. I'm not answering this not because I do not know physics. It is because I do not know English. But this all was going on in my mind only. I was not able to speak anything. Well, I came back to my room and I wept. I cried. I just wanted to pack my bag and go back to my village. No more higher education, nothing else. This city is not meant for me. This college is not meant for me. These people are not meant for me. I called my parents. That day they played the role of Jamavant. The role that Jamavant played for Hanumana, reminding him all of his great powers, that no, you can fight, no, you can fly. They told me that, okay, you come back. But see, you are closing the door of all other girls of your village, so you have to take a big decision. Well, I picked the point and I decided to fight, and I decided by the end of this semester, I am going to be fluent in English. Well, I took my engineering books, I jotted down all the spellings and everything, I pasted them on my wall, and all my walls were colored with spellings, and I was always on the revision mode. And it went deep inside my subconscious mind that, my dreams also were in English after that. Like all the characters, be it. And in first semester, I topped not only my college, but I topped the whole university, and I got Chancellor Scholarship for that. I believed in these words. These words truly tell my story, and I also want to convey these words to you also. There is no substitute of hard work, and there is no shortcut to success. And my own 4 lines that I wrote, I want to say, जो नहीं मिला है उसका गम जो करती, जो नहीं मिला है उसका गम जो करती, हासिल मौकों में फिर यूं नहीं सवरती, किस्मत से लड़कर पाना भी तो जिद है, किस्मत से लड़कर पाना भी तो जिद है, ये बातें मुझ में फिर यूं नहीं उभरती। मुझको भी गम होता था ना मिलने का, लेकिन खुद से ही वादा था चलने का। मुझको भी गम होता था ना मिलने का, लेकिन खुद से ही वादा था चलने का। कदमों ने जितना नापा उतना कम है, कदमों ने जितना नापा उतना कम है, यही रहस्य है मंजिल से मिलने का, यही रहस्य है मंजिल से मिलने का।